Basic Functions in Excel subtitle, a comprehensive guide for beginners, so for those that might want to reach out, these are my contact details. Introduction to Basic Functions. Functions are predefined formulas in Excel that perform specific calculations, making complex tasks much simpler and quicker. They simplify complex tasks by allowing users to execute calculations quickly and efficiently. Using functions enhances efficiency by saving time through automation. They also improve accuracy and reduce human error in calculations. Functions are easy to apply through a simple syntax, making them accessible for users at all levels. The sum function. The sum function adds all the numbers in a specified range of cells, providing a straightforward way to total values. The syntax for the sum function is =sum followed by number 1, and additional numbers in parentheses. For example, suppose you have sales data in cells A1 to A5. If A1 equals 100, A2 equals 200, A3 equals 150, A4 equals 250, and A5 equals 300, the formula =sum A1 to A5 would return 1000. This function is commonly used in financial reports to calculate total revenue or expenses. The average function. The average function calculates the mean of a group of numbers, allowing for easy analysis of data sets. The syntax for the average function is =average followed by number 1 and additional numbers in parentheses. Using the same sales data, if A1 equals 100, A2 equals 200, A3 equals 150, A4 equals 250, and A5 equals 300, the formula =average A1 to A5 would return 200. This function is useful for analyzing average scores, costs, or any other numerical values. The count function. The count function counts the number of cells that contain numeric data, providing insight into dataset. The syntax for the count function is =count followed by value 1 and additional values in parentheses. Consider the following entries in cells B1 to B5. If B1 equals 10, B2 equals 20, B3 is empty, B4 equals 30, and B5 equals 40, the formula =count B1 to B5 would return 4, counting only the numeric entries. This function is helpful for tracking the number of completed tasks or items sold. The min function. The min function returns the smallest number in a specified range, helping to identify minimum values easily. The syntax for the min function is =min followed by number 1 and additional numbers in parentheses. Given the values in C1 to C5, if C1 equals 15, C2 equals 45, C3 equals 5, C4 equals 30, and C5 equals 25, the formula min C1 to C5 would return 5. This function is useful for identifying the lowest score in a dataset or the least expensive item in a price list. The max function. The max function returns the largest number in a specified range, making it easy to find maximum values. The syntax for the max function is =max followed by number 1 and additional numbers in parentheses. Using the same values in D1 to D5, if D1 equals 10, D2 equals 50, D3 equals 20, D4 equals 40, and D5 equals 30, the formula max D1 to D5 would return 50. This function is helpful for determining the highest sales figure, top scores, or maximum inventory levels. Practical applications. You can use the sum function in budgeting to calculate total expenses accurately and efficiently. The average function can analyze student grades to find the average score for a class, providing valuable insight. The count function can track the number of products sold in a month, helping with inventory management. The min function can identify the lowest temperature recorded over a week, essential for weather analysis. The max function can determine the maximum profit achieved in a specific period, guiding future business decisions. Common mistakes. One common mistake is referencing an incorrect range, which can lead to inaccurate results and calculations. Another issue is related to data types, as functions like count only work with numeric entries, potentially causing confusion. Also, be cautious of formula errors, as missing parentheses or incorrect syntax can cause errors and disrupt your workflow. Use Excel's error checking features to troubleshoot these issues effectively. In conclusion, mastering basic functions like sum, average, count, min, and max is essential for analyzing and managing data in Excel effectively. These functions are foundational tools that can enhance your data manipulation skills. I encourage you to continuously practice using these functions in various scenarios to build confidence. The more you apply them, the more proficient you will become.